Your body is constantly giving you information, but sometimes we ignore the signals because we think they're nothing serious. Some symptoms can have many harmless causes, but persistent or unexplained changes should not simply be ignored. Today, let's look at some possible warning signs of cancer and when it's important to see a healthcare professional. First, unexplained weight loss. If you're losing a significant amount of weight without intentionally changing your diet or activity, it's worth getting checked. Cancer is only one possible cause. Other conditions can also cause unexpected weight loss. So don't panic, but don't ignore a persistent, unexplained change either. Second, a new lump or unusual swelling. Many lumps are harmless, but a new lump that persists, grows, or changes should be evaluated by a healthcare professional. Don't try to diagnose it yourself by searching for pictures online. Get it checked. Third, unexplained bleeding. Blood where you wouldn't normally expect to see it, such as blood in the stool, urine, or coughing up blood, can have several causes. But some types of unexplained bleeding can be associated with cancer. If you notice unusual or persistent bleeding, contact a healthcare professional for evaluation. Fourth, persistent changes in your bowel or bladder habits. This could include ongoing changes in bowel movements, persistent diarrhea or constipation, difficulty urinating, or other unusual changes. These symptoms don't automatically mean cancer, but if a change is persistent, unexplained, or getting worse, it's a good reason to seek medical advice. Fifth, a persistent cough or hoarseness. Most coughs are caused by things such as infections or allergies, but a cough or hoarseness that doesn't go away or comes with other concerning symptoms should be evaluated, especially if you're experiencing breathing difficulties, chest pain, or coughing up blood. Seek medical attention. Another possible warning sign is persistent, unexplained pain or unusual fatigue. Again, these symptoms are extremely common and usually have causes other than cancer. But if pain, tiredness, or another unusual symptom doesn't improve, keeps returning, or interferes with your daily life, talk to a healthcare professional. Here's the most important thing to remember. Having one of these symptoms does not mean you have cancer. Many common conditions can cause the same symptoms, but your body deserves attention when something is unusual, persistent, unexplained, or getting worse. Don't panic. Don't self-diagnose. Get the right medical advice. Early medical evaluation can make a difference. Take your health seriously and don't ignore persistent changes.